Hey guys, it's Sam, and today we are making cauliflower pizza. I heard the cauliflower crust from Trader Joe's was pretty good, so I had to try it out. All the ingredients will be listed below, but I am using Victoria's Marinara with avocado oil, minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, basil, crushed red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, and Sargento reduced fat mozzarella. This is optional, but I also did cut up some red onions, broccoli, red pepper, as well as tomatoes. So the first thing to do according to the instructions is place the crust upside down on a sheet pan and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees. Now this is just a preference, but I did put about a tablespoon of minced garlic on my veggies. I then put a little bit of salt and pepper to taste and put the veggies into the oven. I watched the veggies closely and ended up putting them in for about 15 minutes. Once about 10 minutes passed, I took the crust out of the oven and flipped it over to put it back into the oven for about 10 minutes. Also, shout out to my dad Howie. He's the real star of the show, watching me be a hot mess as usual. After those additional 10 minutes, it was time to take out the crust and start putting toppings on the pizza. Now I am on the green plan for Weight Watchers. I'm trying to lose an extra 10 pounds before the summer if we ever get to leave the house. But about half a cup of the marinara was 2 points on my plan. And it was honestly the perfect amount. Next was the Italian seasoning. I just sprinkled a little bit around the entire pizza. I then started topping my pizza with my baked veggies, my broccoli, my red onions, my red peppers. I also topped it with some fresh tomatoes. This step is also optional, but I did top the pizza with some crushed red pepper flakes as well. I do like a little bit of heat. I then measured out about a third of a cup of the reduced fat mozzarella, sprinkled it around, and then some basil to top it off. A third of a cup of mozzarella is about 3 points on the green plan for Weight Watchers. I then placed the pizza back into the oven on broil for about another 5 minutes. And voila, it looks so good. It was so delicious. I cannot get over how good it tasted. For calculation purposes, my pizza came out to 20 points and I had half of it, making my dinner only 10 points. Here's me trying to be a mukbanger, trying the pizza, trying to show it off. And I'm surprised how good it is. I had to inform Howie how good it was. Oh my gosh, I'm literally an animal. Why did I eat like that? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!